just because some ideas are prevailing, they have more force. So when they are expressed in external circumstances that guarantee their external circumstances external to the internal logic of an argument. Whereas the effectiveness of arguments can be explained in the second case by means of psychology of argumentation, or sociology even. Explanation in the first case called for logic of argument. So logic of argumentation and psychology. So these correspond to our number 1 and number 2, because in our sense, the logic of argumentation should solely determine the validity. But we can't avoid psychology of the participants and general sociology of the conditions, and that shouldn't determine the validity. So there should be a procedure not only to differentiate between this and this, but also a practical procedure in order to minimize this effect, psychological, so-called psychological versus sociological effect. And only the logic of argumentation should guide the acceptance of the claims. Okay, so whereas the effectiveness of an argument can be explained in the second case by means of psychology of argumentation, explanation in the first case calls for a logic of argument.